...2011 Lexus ES 350 luxury sedan. Bright silver metallic paint. Upgraded aftermarket midnight aluminum alloy wheels with good tires, tinted windows, dual chrome tip exhaust, backup sensors, black leather interior, wood grain trim, power windows, locks and mirrors, memory driver's seat, got power retractable rear shade in the back. Got heated and cool front row seats, premium sound system with CD player, free 90-day trial, Sirius XM satellite radio, navigation, backup camera, push button start, steering wheel controls, auto headlights with fog lights, just over 169,000 miles. It's even got a sunroof. Y'all come out and see us at Equalizer.